Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I am staying at this best Western Plus Hotel here in Crawfordsville, Indiana. It's just next to I-74. That's the highway. Let me zoom and show you. Yeah, that's the highway next to, and it's an excellent location. So I'm gonna give you the review of this hotel and everything else. First of all, the location is very good, just next to the highway, and this side you have everything. You see McDonald's, that signboard. Okay, multiple gas station, 1 2 3 I can see right from here, and lot of hotels are here, like Super 8 is this side, Comfort Inn on the back side. I'll give you show you that also, and also Hampton Inn also. So parking was included here, and so I did not have to pay anything for it. Rooms are too good, too spacious. If possible, I'll try to make a video about room also. Looks like I'm the only Canadian here staying here tonight, because all the cars I see in the parking lot are from USA states only. Okay, so let me show you. Yeah, there's no shortage of parking. It's just like 3 floors hotel. Okay, so not too many rooms, but it's highly spacious. Excellent location, restaurants, everything is here, front, back. And you know, this side is, you see, farms are there. Okay, just next to Hampton Inn, just here. And this side is Comfort Inn. Okay, and hotel is like very clean, at least whatever I have seen. Okay, as you can see here, let me come to a safe place. Yeah, parking is at the back side also, and there are farms here. And just if you go this side, this road, this side, there is a residential neighborhood too. So that's why a lot of shops are here too. Now I'm gonna give you a tour of inside. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it is all. I'm just going back to the hotel. Okay, and it even at this is around 10 p.m. and still people are relaxing. So it's a nice cozy environment too. Some people are doing partying on the bench, and some people are doing partying in their car also. And so if you come with an electric car, they have a charging for parking too. Okay, so this also you can use. Not sure if this is included or you got to pay extra. Yeah, looks like you got to pay. Okay, you see this, but yeah, while you park your car here, you can pay. Going to the hotel now. Okay, they have a vending machine here right here, and a lot of items. This is not free, you have to pay if you take any, but almost everything that you need, starting from some basic medication to batteries, snacks, car battery, earphone, detergent, shaving kit, snacks, all are here. Behind me is the reception, but that I'm not showing because people, I don't want to film anyone. Okay, so they have a business center here. This is the breakfast area. I'll try to give you a tour of it tomorrow. Now, one thing I really loved about is their coffee machine. See the number of options: cappuccino, cafe vanilla, mocha, black coffee, and it's available round the clock. Wow. Morning probably will have a lot of juice. This is gonna be the breakfast area. The morning probably they are gonna put all the chairs. Okay, their breakfast starts at 7 a.m. Okay, this is the pool area. It's closed now. I'm not sure. Oh, it's open. Wow. Nobody is there at the pool, so I can do filming. Yeah. Wow. Morning probably there'll be some people. Looks like intercontinental breakfast will be served, and you will see it tomorrow morning. This is an elevator. I'm staying on second floor, so this is the only elevator I'm using. Okay, this is laundry room. Okay, I'm trying to locate the fitness center. It should be somewhere here. It's a very quiet hotel and the locality is too good. Like just in front of neighborhood farms, and this is my second time in Indiana and I'm really happy about it. Here comes the fitness center as well. Oh, it needs key. Fine, I have it. It's tab based keys. Wow, motion sensor lights. So with machines they have a treadmill, cycling, dumbbell. Wow, nice. It's not a supervised facility, so be careful. And the good thing is they have towels and they have a door connecting to the pool also. So if you're going to pool, probably you can use these towels. Yeah, I don't find any problem in doing that. Okay, now I'll take you to upper floor. Okay. Left. So I'm in lift now, going to second floor. Now I'll try to make another video about their washroom tour. I was sorry, washroom room tour. But the good thing I like about the spacious washroom, they have like even standing shower, which is really good. I have not seen like such things in recent hotels. Okay, so this is the second floor. They have an ice vending machine. Okay. Yeah, so that's it guys. I'm going to my room now. I gave you the tour of the hotel, so let me know guys what you like about it and if you have any question. And it cost me around 200 some dollars, but I did not pay anything for it because of my credit card points. I drove all the way from Canada to USA. It was an amazing experience, no doubt, and I'll share more with you guys as we go this trip. It's a lot of experience I'm gonna gain. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Everything I'm doing for you guys. Thank you guys.